Welcome back to I Wonder Where That Goes. So you've scored your cheap trail bike, but there's bound to be some things that aren't quite right with it. So what's the most important? Assuming you bought a runner, I would suggest the most important are tyres. But in my case, it was brakes. Stevie the NX is equipped by Honda Italy with a pavement melting 2-pot sliding caliper grommet setup. This marvel of Roman technology was still fitted with the original rubber hoses. 29 years old. If I'm honest, this brake actually exceeded expectations, but those ancient hoses really did cause me concern. So I got onto my Uncle Ali in China and he sent me a new hose. Complete with banjo bolts, fancy crush washers, protecting slider grommet things, €4 delivered. While I was at it, I got some quick draw, span adjustment, clutch and brake levers, which to be fair did need some adjustment to get them to fit properly, but are working perfectly now. €7 for the pair delivered. So now I have a rock solid lever with hand span adjustment for just €15. Cheaper than Viagra.